Welcome back to Keto Naturopath Kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I'm making another snack. It's a carnivore snack, a clean keto snack, ketovore, low carb, whatever. It's another nice snack that you can have. It is pepperoni chips. It's just pepperoni made into a chip, completely carnivore. I did find a really good clean pepperoni. Boar's Head is another, is not as clean. It does have some sugar in it, but sugar should be all processed out with the, they dry it and it's a chemical thing. And so anyway, there shouldn't be a whole lot of sugar in it, but I did find one that did not have sugar or starches listed. So today, pepperoni chips. You start off, I like to line my pan with foil so I don't have a lot of cleanup. Now these are the pepperoni I found it at my local Food Lion. It's called Taste of Inspirations. There's no filler, no sugar listed. It's a pretty thick cut pepperoni, so your cooking time may vary. And you just, I have a wire rack, and I place the pepperoni on the wire rack. Now I used to make this all the time when we would travel, and it's a good snack for when you're traveling. It's also a good snack for dipping into, if you're carnivore, then cheese dips or sour cream or whatever. If you're not 100% carnivore, if you're ketovore, I think it would be great with guacamole or salsa. Anyway, you have a 400-degree oven and you cook it for 8 to 9 minutes, depending on the thickness. These are pretty thick, so I'm going to put them in for 9 minutes. Sometimes you might even have it more, depending on also how hot your oven is. My oven's not that hot, so put them in for 9 minutes. Now I made these earlier today. I'm doing the whole Julia Child way of cooking and showing you. She'd make her recipe and then put it in the oven and then suddenly come out with a chicken that was already cooked. So I've been doing that because it saves us time. And you know, you don't want to just be sitting around for 9 or 10 minutes doing nothing when we can taste it. So here we are, tasting pepperoni chips. So good. It's kind of humid here in North Carolina, so if it's humid, it's not humid. It probably won't be as crispy. Again, these were thick. I probably should have done them for 10 minutes, but it's a great snack. If you're on traveling, I like pork rinds too as a snack when you're traveling, but they're a little dry, so make sure you have water with you. These, perfect keto carnivore snack. Great to take to cookouts, parties, so that make sure that you have something that you can eat. Again, pepperoni chips. Carnivore, ketovore, keto. Enjoy.